In an age where everyone is connected, no one truly connects. We scroll endlessly through screens that promise love, beauty, and belonging, yet deliver only illusion. We call it social media, but it has quietly engineered the most antisocial generation in human history. We call it artificial intelligence, but it is slowly replacing our authentic intelligence, the kind that feels, observes, and connects soul to soul. This is the silent crisis of our time. The death of real attraction. Once upon a time, attraction was sacred. It was born from proximity, from presence, from the subtle dance of energy between two beings. A glance across the room could ignite something profound, something you could never explain, yet always feel. But today we swipe, match, and ghost in seconds. The algorithm has become the new Cupid, calculating who we might desire before we even know ourselves. Love has become data. Attraction has become code. And human intimacy has become performance. AI now knows you better than you know yourself. It tracks your pauses, your reactions, your heart rate through your device. It learns your desires, amplifies your weaknesses, and feeds your fantasies back to you. But here's the paradox. In trying to fulfill your desire, it destroys your capacity to truly desire. You no longer chase meaning, you chase stimulation. You no longer seek depth, you seek dopamine. Every swipe, every click, every like is a microdose of validation. And yet, no matter how much you consume, you remain hungry. This is not attraction. This is addiction. Real attraction is rooted in presence, in the mystery of discovery, in the unknown of the human soul. Addiction, however, thrives on predictability. It thrives on algorithms that repeat what already excites you. And so slowly, men stop approaching women. Women stop feeling mystery. Conversations become awkward. Connection becomes a script. AI didn't just change dating. It rewired the chemistry of human bonding itself. The mind now seeks stimulation that the body cannot match. Virtual beauty has replaced real touch. Augmented fantasy has replaced organic tension. The tragedy is we are adapting. Are becoming more passive, women more performative. Both disconnected from their essence. Attraction used to be the magnetic field between masculine and feminine, polarity in motion. But now both energies have collapsed into digital sameness, filters, trends, and virtual validation. Artificial women are replacing real ones in the minds of men. Virtual girlfriends whisper pre-programmed affection. Synthetic faces outcompete real beauty. The fantasy becomes more satisfying than reality itself. But what happens to a generation that prefers illusion over intimacy? It dies while alive. Because no machine, no AI, no pixel can mirror the sacred chaos of human connection. Let's be honest. Most of what we call attraction today is attention-seeking. The system feeds it. The platforms reward it. It's not your fault. It's design. Their entire social ecosystem has been engineered to make you feel unworthy without engagement. To make you chase approval instead of purpose. As a result, we no longer look for love, we look for validation. We don't fall in love anymore. We fall into algorithms. But deep down, something ancient still whispers. A quiet voice within you remembers what it means to feel truly alive. To lock eyes with someone and feel the world disappear. To hear a laugh that melts your armor. To touch a hand and feel energy move through your soul. That's not nostalgia. That's your humanity calling back to you. The truth is, AI and social media didn't kill attraction. They only revealed how shallow we had become. They showed us the cost of convenience, the death of depth. Because when everything is easy, nothing is sacred. When you can have anyone, you desire no one. And so, the new rebellion is not to delete your apps, it's to remember your essence. To rebuild your capacity for presence. To find meaning in silence. To feel the subtle energy between two souls, unfiltered, unprogrammed, unrecorded. That is real power. AI will keep evolving. Social media will keep expanding. But humanity will only survive if it remembers why it exists. We were not made to consume beauty. We were made to create it. We were not designed to scroll endlessly through faces. We were designed to feel, to connect, to love. And that cannot be coded. Maybe the future is not about rejecting technology, but about mastering our relationship with it. AI, but don't let it use you. Post online, but don't live there. Love through presence, not pixels. Because in the end, the soul doesn't care about followers. It cares about frequency. And the highest frequency of all is still love. The death of real attraction is not the end, it's a mirror. The system may reprogram desire, but only you can awaken connection. This is not just about dating. It's about reclaiming your humanity. Because when you remember how to connect deeply with yourself, with others, and with life, you become something technology cannot replicate. Become real again.